Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Dragon Ball GEKISHIN Squadra game not launching or won't launch problem, not loading, stuck on loading screen issue or black screen problem on PC. So without wasting any time, let's follow the fixes over here. So the first fix is to enable overlay and accept terms of service. So open Steam, click on the word Steam on the top left, then go to settings, to in-game tab and make sure enable the Steam overlay while in-game is toggled on. If it is not, then toggle it on. Then go to library, then right click on Dragon Ball GEKISHIN Squadra game, select properties, and here make sure enable the Steam overlay while in-game is toggled on. If it is not, then toggle it on. Now click on play button, then again click on play button, then click on start new game. A web page should open inside the Steam overlay where you can read and accept the terms of service, and after accepting it, the game should let you continue normally. So your problem will be fixed. If still your problem is not solved, then second solution is to set game to windowed mode. To do so, again click on play button and launch the game. Then click on setting gear icon, then click on settings option. Then go to video tab, and then in the borderless turn it off, and then you can launch the game and your problem will be fixed. Later you can turn on the borderless. If still your problem is not solved, then the third solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So go to Steam, right click on Dragon Ball GEKISHIN Squadra game, then select manage and click on uninstall to uninstall it. Click again uninstall to confirm it, then reinstall Dragon Ball GEKISHIN Squadra game and then relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can solve this Dragon Ball GEKISHIN Squadra not launching or won't launch problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen or black screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.